Dear students, today I am touching next tense, past perfect tense. Had plus past participle. See the end parts in Hindi yourself and compare with the present perfect tense. Present means something happening now. Past means something happened earlier, yesterday, day before yesterday, or much before that. So when it is past perfect, we use had plus past participle. Past participle means third form. For example, write, wrote, written. So here written will be used. One more example I will give. Take, took, taken. So here had plus taken will be used. Give, gave, given. Had plus given, that is third part, third form. Keep all this in your mind. Now sentences. He had already left. Leave, left, left. Past participle is left here. Hindi sentence. Next. Yesterday I had gone to see Lagan. Three forms are go, went, and gone. Past participle, that is third form. Next, this is a little different sentence. So just by heart this. You will understand the logic later on once you start talking fluently. He had never been to Shimla before. This is a typical beautiful sentence. Just cram it. He had never been to Shimla before. Hindi version. So you can use it for any other city. Instead of Shimla, you can use any place of your choice. The result had been declared before our arrival. Had been because it is a passive voice. Again, declare, declared, declared. I'll read once again. The result had been declared before our arrival. This is a passive voice. Who declared the results has not been given. That is, the doer is not mentioned. The subject is not mentioned. Doer and subject is the same. The result, that is object, is mentioned, and verb had been declared is mentioned. So this is a passive voice. In passive voice you will be using had been. Next. The school had been decorated before the inspector came. Again, this is a passive voice. The subject, that is the doer. That means who decorated the school is not mentioned. Object is school here and the verb is had been decorated. So this again is passive voice. These two are passive voice. First is the result had been declared before our arrival. Second is the school had been decorated before the inspector came. Now questions. Had the rain stopped before you left? She had already completed her homework. I had gone to see the movie. Go, went, gone. I had gone to see Miss India contest. Very important tense. After simple past tense, another two very important tenses are present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Present perfect tense we have already discussed. Now this is past perfect tense. Speak it loudly. Compare the two tenses, present perfect tense and past perfect tense. What are you going to compare? The end part, which have been given here in brackets. Same thing has been given in brackets in present perfect tense also. Compare the two, the heading, that is the end part, and frame your own opinions, frame your own notes in your mind. Sometimes you can write them also, and start talking loudly in front of the mirror to your friends. Forget whether you speak right English or wrong. Just keep on talking.